free.
There's even more physicality.
We'll have to free.
Yeah, I mean, now you're really fighting for something.
What's happening, Leon?
You're fighting for relationships, you're fighting for your home, you're fighting for respect, you're fighting for, kind of keeping together everything that's happened before the finale.
It's like our 10-15 meeting every day. Take it back.
Oh,
I just wanted to say,
tell you what.
What's happening, Leon?
Because I wandered on that mountain by myself for nearly 2 days and could have got killed? Or because I could have got killed by one of your crazy cousins?
I didn't mean for it to
See,
So
Birdie.
why did you do that, Axel? Because you sure as hell didn't fight to keep me that time. You didn't stand up when it mattered.
Sorry.
Sorry doesn't give me my job back, Axel. Look, I don't know how I ever thought this could work. Because it can't.
Sing, Birdie.
I don't ever want to see you again.
Oh, you told him. You told him.
I don't think
Guys,
that's gonna happen. No, that's it.
Sorry, you don't kiss again.
It's a test pattern. But hey, it's good.
What's happening, Leon?
But
What?
can you win her
I
back?
just sat there.
What? What?
It was one of those where you get the script and you're like, what? No! 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 And so,
Can I get her back? I mean, that's
Oh, how to worry.
a lot that goes
Okay, hold on. Birdie's coming down in a minute.
Storyline they've grown significantly from season 1 to season 2, and me and her have a pretty big arc and a pretty long journey to go through.
People enjoying on WGN America, streaming on Hulu as well now.
Yeah.
Have you found that's built even more of an audience?
yeah.
People discovering it?
And now, I mean, it's available in other countries, so I'm getting more and more
Sing, Birdie.
tweets and Tumblrs and all kinds of stuff.
Mango,
It's
give me a
weird
kiss.
seeing people, jumping on the bandwagon and being like, I just binge watched the entire first season. It's awesome.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Season 2 of Outsiders premieres Tuesday, January
Oh, how to
24th.
worry.
It's at 9 on WGN.
Oh,